Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about my microphone, why I brought this microphone and how much it and how perform in this microphone. And I am a content creator, that's why I need microphone. I just try to speak why I buy this microphone. So what is the important of microphone for me? I am content creator, that's why I need to create video and record video with my beautiful voice. That's why I need this type of microphone. So when I start YouTube channel in 2022, this time I don't have any microphone. I just record my video in my phone. In my phone have a built-in microphone capture my audio. So I try to improve my video quality and my video sound quality. That's why I buy a microphone. Brand name is Boya by M1 with large cable. So this is not, this is another microphone, Boya by M1. So first time I brought this microphone Boya by M1, I used just 2 months and this microphone was broke. And second time I was buy same type of microphone Boya by M1 with large cable. So this microphone I used just 6 months, and after 6 months this microphone was broke. And then third time I was buy same type of microphone. I used just 4 or 5 months. So I am very disappointed, and then I go to my big brother. Her name is Mr. Noyan Hossain, and she give me a idea. Shakib, you try three microphone, one company, but this time I suggest you try another company microphone. So she tell me about this microphone. This microphone brand name is F11-2 wireless microphone. This is microphone and have another one, and F11-2 wireless microphone have a receiver. So when I buy this microphone, my content creation journey is very easy to plug in play, and easy to connect in my mobile phone, and just I record the video. So when I was big cable microphone, I just suffering handle it. I do not carry anywhere, and I do not feel like free. So this time I use this microphone, and this microphone output is very well, and sound quality is very well. I am very satisfied. So in this video I try to speak in English. I want to learn English, and I know how to speak English, but when I try to speak English, my mind goes blank, and I don't remember any word. That's why I try to speak English every day. So I will upload this video in YouTube, and you will see my video for inspiration. So if you want to learn in English, follow me and you try to speak English every day. So thank you so much. See you next video.